sink or float for me. Heavy things go down, down, down. Light ones float and stay around. Put it in the water, what do you see? Science is fun for you and me. A rock goes down, it's heavy too, but look, the leaf is floating through. Plastic cup and wooden boat, let's make a guess, will it sink or float? Testing things is what you do. Science makes it fun for